Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by collecting the exact phrases you want Miss Circle to say and by ensuring your device uses the highest TTS quality. Once done, switch Google Translate language/region to match the desired accent and record a short baseline sample. Make sure to install an audio capture tool and set its sample rate to 44. 1 or 48 kHz so edits stay clean. You do these steps first, so every later tweak maps to consistent audio and predictable pitch shift behavior. Once you have the baseline, feed phrases through Google Translate while editing in your audio tool. You apply slight pitch adjustments and tempo changes in small increments to approach Miss Circle's tone. Avoid extreme shifts that cause artifacts. Make sure to add rhythmic pauses using punctuation or manual cuts so syllable timing matches the character. Then use light equalization and a de-esser to smooth digital sibilance. These changes explain why the voice feels more organic rather than a raw TTS clip. To finish, export a lossless version and compare it to your reference for phrasing, pitch, and warmth. Iterate until the match is convincing. If you hear metallic or warbling artifacts, reduce the amount of pitch shift and use formant-preserving tools so the voice keeps natural timbre. Make sure to save presets and write down the exact Google Translate language/region, playback speed, and editor settings so you can reproduce the voice later. One key troubleshooting tip. If things go wrong, undo recent edits and reapply changes in smaller steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.